Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to go from this. Jeez, too many lights in the way. To this. Now, already did that one obviously. And, damn, I can't focus. Focus. Okay. And yeah. Anyhow. Yep, Porsche. Boxster 987S. This one's from 2005. This is the first one of the first year of the second generation. Now, yeah, I'll show you on this side. So basically, just in here, you gotta use maybe a tool like this, if not a flat screwdriver or something like that, just to get out the little plastics. The first one I did was this one just screws off, and this is from right up in Gia, right there. That right there. This is actually part of the taillight screw, and that's what this comes off of, these inside panels. And then the other one, it's this one right here, which I'll use the tool to get out. Super easy, and if you crack this, yeah, that sucks, but on the bright side, it shouldn't be that expensive to replace. And my phone keeps going off. And the other point I had was that, you know, you'll survive without it until you replace it. It's not a big deal, in my opinion. I don't know. I want to see your comments, I guess. See what you think. But anyhow, yeah, I'll take that off now. Alright, so this is all that's coming out of there. Basically, that just slides right in. And shoot, no, sorry, the other way around. That slides right in. That's where I unscrewed that thing. That's where I popped that other thing from, and everything's just called a thing. Nothing has a real name. Anyhow, towel in case I sweat. Just kidding. So I don't scratch the baby. But anyways, so now at that point, there's only 3 screws. I'm gonna take the first one out. That's that one there. Well, I mean, you don't have to take them out in that order, but there's that one. And there's that one over there. And then deep in the abyss. Shit, where my finger is. Can't see that motherfucker. Up there, there's a third one. The hardest one to get to, the hardest one to tighten, which sucks, but it'll work. So anyways, you get those 3 out. You unplug the back. It's just plug and play. I'll show you that one in better light, and you're good to go. Okay, all the screws are out now, and I'm gonna just pull this out. That's my tripod, because I'm too lazy to go get my tripod adapter. Whatever. Okay. So, watch me now. Just pull this out. Forgot to mention, well, on this one there's a lot of slack on the wire, so I was able to pull out the taillight first. But on this one, you're gonna have to unplug that first. Okay, now you're gonna, depending on, I don't know, but this is super dirty, just like the other side was, so I'll give that a clean up before I put the new one in. And then just to show you guys, that's the connector right there. It's just basically pull on these ends, and pull on both of these ends and just pull it out. That's what she said, and you'll be good. Good. And that just goes right into the new one. But first cleaning. Alright, so this is how you're gonna get the tail light in with this plastic cover on it, which we'll just take off. And you got these circular things here that are protecting the screws, or where they get screwed onto. Once you get all that out, and plug that into there, plug in the wire harness into there. I'm not even sure if I'm getting it right into here. Plug it right into there, and that's it. Simple. Okay, she's all done. Yeah, looking good. Let's see what she can do. There you are with just the parking lights on.